All right, friends, I disassembled this. I took these two screws. There's this bolt here and a bolt here. I took them out. I was in the middle of rolling some silver and this came flying out the bottom. This is a Vevor, about $200 rolling mill. They're the cheap ones. And this is something that happens sometimes, is in using it, this screw, you can see right here, will come loose. So you just kind of have to just get it back going again. And this one came somewhere, and I think it was right in here. So I think what I'm going to do is okay, I'm going to put this back in over here because it came out. And they say because maybe they're cheaper rolling mills, they fall apart fast, but they just come loose. And I don't know if every rolling mill is going to come loose on you. Just give it a little tightening. Just a little tightening. Now we're back good again. But sometimes that happens, guys. And some of these cheaper, less expensive ones, things come a little loose on them, and I don't know why, but it happens. So just be aware that you may have to tighten stuff up once in a while. Just give it some routine maintenance, and while you're in there, you can oil those. Whoa, Johnny. But it's really easy to get in there. And those holes, and just kind of give it the finger. Dun, 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 dun. Doesn't have to be crazy tight. And then this has a piece of metal in there that'll jive up nice with this little groove. Just line that up. Boom, boom, boom. Straight up and down. Here we go. And that lines up right in there. And then I just give it one of these numbers. I can go through with my crescent wrench and tighten this up again, but I just want to show you guys. Now we're back in business, and I will get my piece of silver that I was rolling out, and I'll just give a pass just to prove to you guys that it does still work. So I think people panic, and they panic and throw it away. But you don't have to do that. Just like new, and then we're back. So yeah, take these out, get in there, look at those gears, sometimes the screws, and just make sure they stay tight, and you're in the money.